Hello guys, Ate Guard Rachel, welcome back to my channel. Ayan, habang naglalakad ako pa uwi, may nadaanan tayo dito na ongoing na drill, no? Fire, emergency drill. So ano ba yung goal ng drill na ito? So it's not just a requirement or a compliance ng building. However, it's our way of being prepared, no? In case of emergency, no? So in case of fire, earthquake, or any disorder. So it teaches us how to be prepared, to be calm, of course, and para for us to be familiarized sa mga evacuation area, saan ba yung mga dadaanan, emergency exits and all, no? So maganda talaga na ginagawa natin tong ganitong drill, no? So dito madami tayong matutunan dito mga